Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to your English grammar class. Today, we are going to start another topic, nouns. We all know that nouns is the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. There are four kinds of nouns: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, and abstract noun. Proper noun is the name of a particular person, place, animal, or thing. For example, Ravi, New York, McDonald's, etc. Common noun is the name of any person, place, animal, or thing in general. For example, boy, animal, burger. Collective noun is the name of a collection of people, animals, or things. For example, bunch, gang, pride, group, etc. Abstract noun is the name of an idea or a feeling. For example, enthusiasm, wisdom, sympathy, sorrow, etc. Noun number. When we talk of one person, animal, or thing, we say that it is in the singular form. For example, dog, magazine, country, boy, man, etc. When we talk of more than one person, animal, or thing, we say that it is in the plural form. For example, dogs, magazines, men, boys, etc. Now we know that most nouns are countable. We can count them. For example, 10 boys, 10 girls, 20 vehicles, and so on. Countable nouns form their plural in different ways. Let us learn about some of them. Many nouns form their plural by adding s. For example, book becomes books. Nouns which end in s, ss, sh, ch, z, or x form their plural by adding es. For example, bus becomes buses, buses. Nouns which end in o form their plural by adding es. For example, mango becomes mangoes, mangoes. Some noun which end in o form their plural by adding s. For example, photo becomes photos, photos. Some nouns that end in f or fe form their plural by changing the f or fe to v and adding es. For example, life becomes lives, lives. Some nouns which end in f or fe form their plural by adding s. For example, roof becomes roofs, roofs. Some nouns which end in a consonant followed by y form their plural by changing y to I and add es. For example, city becomes cities, city becomes cities. Nouns which end in vowel followed by y form their plural by adding s. For example, day becomes days, day becomes days. There are some nouns which do not follow any rule forming their plural, like child becomes children, mouse becomes mice, person becomes people, tooth becomes teeth, and so on. That will be all for today, and we will continue with nouns in our next class.